As Heraclitus said, the only constant in life is change. This is especially true for agile methodologies, which continue to evolve to meet the demands of modern organizations. In this lecture, we will explore the trends shaping the future for agile and how these developments are defining the way teams work. In this lecture, you will understand how agile frameworks are evolving to meet modern needs, learn about trends like agile and remote work and hybrid project management, identify how these trends might impact future agile practices. Agile was born in the software industry, but its principles have been proven valuable in a wide range of fields. As industries and technologies evolve, agile frameworks are adapting to new contexts. Greater focus on scalability. Frameworks like SAFe, Scaled Agile Framework, and less large scale Scrum continue to refine the practices to manage increasingly complex multi team projects. Customization of Agile. Organizations are moving away from rigid frameworks, opting for tailored solutions that combine Scrum, Kanban, and Lean principles to address specific challenges. Integration of technology. Advanced tools for real time collaboration, automation, and analytics are becoming integral to agile practices. AI powered tools can now assist with backlog prioritization, risk assessment, and sprint planning. Remote work has further accelerated the evolution of agile practices. Teams that once thrived on face to face collaboration must now operate in distributed environments. Virtual stand ups and retrospectives. Tools like Zoom and Miro enable teams to conduct daily stand ups, planning sessions, and retrospectives online. Asynchronous communication. With team members often working across different time zones, asynchronous updates through tools like Slack or Trello have become essential. Enhanced transparency. Virtual Kanban boards and real time dashboards ensure that progress and bottlenecks are visible to all team members, fostering accountability and alignment. A tech startup with a fully remote workforce used virtual collaboration tools to maintain agile practices. Using Trello for fast tracking and Loom for asynchronous video updates, successfully delivered multiple projects without sacrificing productivity or team cohesion. Hybrid project management combines agile with traditional waterfall methodologies to offer the best of both worlds. It is particularly valuable for organizations managing projects with varying levels of complexity and predictability. Agile for dynamic phases. Teams use agile practices like iterative development for phases requiring flexibility, such as product design or software updates. Waterfall for predictable phases. Traditional methods are applied to well defined phases like hardware procurement or regulatory compliance. Collaboration across frameworks. Project managers act as bridges, ensuring that agile and non agile teams work cohesively toward shared objectives. Agile is poised to continue evolving in several directions. Focus on business agility, extending agile principles beyond IT to areas like marketing, HR, and finance. Sustainability and ethics, emphasizing ethical decision making and sustainable practices in agile projects. Increased use of AI and data analytics, automating repetitive tasks and using predictive analytics to enhance decision making. Think of Agile as a river. It starts with a clear path but adapts to the terrain it encounters, carving new routes and expanding as needed. Similarly, Agile frameworks evolve to meet the demand of modern teams and industries, creating new pathways for collaboration and success. Agile's strength lies in its ability to adapt, ensuring its relevance in an ever changing world. Research one trend in Agile, for example, remote work, hybrid project management, or AI in Agile. Write a short analysis explaining how it is shaping Agile practices and what challenges or opportunities it presents for teams. The future of Agile is dynamic and exciting, with frameworks evolving to address modern challenges like remote work and hybrid project management. Let's discuss how these trends could impact your own future work environments and Agile practices. Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture.